Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss fiber to fabric of class 6 science, chapter number 3. Our three basic needs, that is food, shelter and cloth or fabric. Without food we cannot live for a long time. Shelter protect us from wild animals, natural disasters, etc. and cloth protect our body. So fabric or cloth is very essential for us. In the earlier video we discussed about the types of fabric, types of fibers, etc. So in this video we discuss about fiber, fabric, method of spinning, knitting, weaving, lot of things, lot of terms. There are two types of fiber. Natural fiber that we obtain from plants and animals, or from, that is, nature. Natural fiber are jute fibers, flax fiber, hemp fiber, cotton fibers. These are plants fiber. We obtain these fibers from the plants. And silk fiber, wool fiber, these are animal fiber, and these fibers we obtain from animals. Some of fibers coir. Coconut fiber is also called coir. Outer covering of coconut fruit. Items made from coir: rope, floor covering, stuff in matrix, sofa, seat of car, bus, etc. Silk fibers obtained from cocoon stage of silkworm or silk moth. Silkworm is also called silk moth. Silkworm feed on mulberry leaves, that is sahtoot leaves. Items made from silkworms: silk cloth or silk fabrics, silk sari, silk kurta, etc. Silk fiber or thread. Thread is also called yarn. A single yarn may be used in hospital post operation to stitch the wound. Now we want to discuss about the silk root. Silk root ancient road or passage between India and China through the Silk Route, traders did their silk businesses. One important point here is we need 5,500 silkworms, that is cocoons, to obtain 1 kg of silk fiber. Now the third fiber is cotton fiber. Cotton fiber is obtained from cotton balls or cotton fruits. Items made from cotton fibers as stuffing in pillow, takiya, maslan, gadda, sleeping bag, gadda, tosak, etc. Life jacket, thread or yarn of cotton for stitching by tailors. Cotton fiber is used as making jeans, undergarments, banyans, wick, batti. In clay oil lamp, diya, deepak, we burn diya in Diwali. Cotton fibers also used in lantern. The next fiber is wool. Wool is obtained from fleece, hair with thin skin of sheep, goat. Items made from wool fiber: sweaters, shawls, woolen mufflers, woolen fabric or cloths, flask of fiber obtained from the stem of flask plant. Flask fiber is called linen fiber. Items made from flask fiber: rope, high quality paper, etc. Now the next fiber is hemp fiber, obtained from hemp plant. Items made from hemp fiber is rope, carpet, net cloths and paper, etc. Jute fiber is obtained from stem of jute plant. Jute crop is cultivated in the districts of Kishanganj, Katihar, Araria of the Bihar. Items made from jute fiber: rope, jute bag, carry bag in shops in place of polythene bags or carry bag. Here we want to discuss about the polythene bags. Polythene item and plastic items are banned by our government because plastic or polythene items are non-biodegradable. It takes 200 to 300 years to decompose. It produces harmful gases on burning. It causes air pollution and several health hazards. Polythene bags or plastics are dangerous for cow, buffalo, and also may block our drainage system. Some useful terms: ginning, process of separation of cotton fibers from cotton balls or cotton fruits by hand. by beating or with the help of machine. Spinning process of making yarn thread from cotton fibers or other fibers by continuous twisting. Spinning is done by our hand, takli, charkha. Charkha has a great importance in India's freedom movement. Charkha was used as a tool during independence movement of India by Mahatma Gandhi. Our beloved former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri received only charkha in his marriage from his father-in-law. Next term is weaving, process of arranging two or more sets of yarn or threads to make fabric or cloth. Weaving is done by looms, hand operated or power looms, machine operated, electricity operated machine. Sant Kabir was a social reformer as well as a weaver, one who weaves fabrics. Knitting, arranging a single set of yarn or thread, that is wool, yarn of wool, to make fabric, that is woolen fabric, or warm fabric like sweater, caps, shawls, socks, dastana, which is used to protect our hands during winter season. Next item, in ancient time, our forefathers were ओर WORE पहना करते थे, plant leaves to cover their bodies. At that time there was no fabric, no cloth. They also used skin of some animals as fabric or cloths. In myth, God Mahadev or Shankar Bhagavan used skin of tiger as his fabric. The next point, unstitched cloth. Unstitched cloth means fabric used without stitching. Ready-made garments, undergarments is stitched in the workshop and then we bought and directly used to wear as cloth. But dhoti, sari, turban, pagdi, lungi, etc. are famous cloths that is unstitched, not stitched by tailor. We bought and wore the cloth, wear the cloth. The famous song Lungi Dance, we are familiar to this dance, lungi, unstitched cloth. Now the other types of fabric, that is artificial or synthetic fabric, man-made fabric. The first synthetic fiber is rayon. Rayon is not a fully synthetic fiber, but it is a regenerated fiber Rayon is also called artificial silk. Rayon is also called artificial silk. Rayon is made up of wood pulp. That is a natural material and modified to rayon. The first fully synthetic fiber is nylon. Nylon is the strongest fiber. Nylon is used by mountaineering as climbers, rope climbers. Our toothbrush, comb, socks, etc. are made from nylon. The third fiber or synthetic fiber is acrylic, acrylic. Acrylic is also called artificial wool, whereas rayon is called artificial silk. Because original silk fabric is costly, but rayon made silk is low cost. Original wool fiber is costly, but acrylic, that is artificial wool made fabric, is low cost. Next is polyester. Polyester is long lasting fabric, but it is not comfortable. Polycoat, mixture of polyester and cotton. Poly is taken from polyester and coat is taken from cotton. Cloths made from the mixture of polyester and cotton fabric. It is comfortable to wear. Next is terylene, is another synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber property. Synthetic fiber is long lasting, durable. It does not wear quickly. Synthetic fiber is easy to maintain. We iron one time and we can wear it many times. Synthetic fiber is low cost, low price, but synthetic cloth or fabric are not so comfortable in comparison to natural fiber. Synthetic fabrics or cloths can catch fire easily and it stick the body, causing heavily damage during catching fire. Synthetic fabric is not reusable, so we prefer natural fiber. Cotton fiber is less damaging effect on catching fire. Cotton fiber absorb our sweat and let ventilated air. Ventilation. We feel comfortable, but it is not in such a property in the case of synthetic fiber. Now for home assignment, match the articles given in column first with the article of column 4. Column first, A. Sweater, cotton balls, dhoti, gunny bags. Column 2, cotton, wool, ginning, jute. Question 2. Paheli wants to present her friend a gift made of plant fiber. Which out of the following will she select? Option A, jute bag, B, woolen shawl, C, silk sari, D, nylon scarf. Fill in the names of useful items made from jute fibers. Some terms related to fabric are jumbled up and given below. Write them in their correct form. A, B, C. Yarn, fabric and fibers are related to each other. Show the relationship by filling the blanks in the following sentence. Question number 7. The correct sequence to get cloth is A, B, C, D. 1 is correct and 3 are wrong. Question number 8. Which part of the jute plant is used for getting jute fiber? Option A, flower, B, stem, C, fruit, D, leaf. Question 9. Which of the following is not a natural fiber? A, cotton, B, jute, C, nylon, D, flax. Not a natural fiber. Question number 10. Which fiber is also called artificial silk? 11. Which fiber is also called artificial wool? Question 12. Which natural fiber is also known as the queen of textiles? S-LK. This is the answer. Hint. Question number 13. Name the country the biggest grower of wool in the world. Note. Spiders make web of silk. It is extremely strong, about 5 times stronger than steel. Spider make web of silk, is waterproof and stretchable. Have a good day. Thank you watching.